Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Scotia Group Jamaica ended the first quarter of its 2022 financial year with an uptick in profit. The company says, however, it continues to see a decline in the take-up of loans. Scotia Group Jamaica recorded a $34 million increase in profit for its first quarter ended January.
We're very pleased with the Q1 2022 consolidated net income performance of $1.78 billion, which is up $663 million or 59% over the previous quarter. This was due partly to increased net interest income, higher insurance revenues stemming from, again, improved cross-selling initiatives, as well as, and very importantly, good collaboration across all business lines.
However, Scotia earned less money for the quarter. The group made $10.4 billion for the 3 months compared to $10.8 billion the previous year. Scotia says there's also been a drop in the take-up of loans.
In Q1, we continued to see a slight decline in our loan portfolio, and this was largely, as I indicated, from some softening of demand in corporate loans. However, this was partially offset by the robust growth that we continue to see in our mortgage book, as well as good recovery and increased demand for our flagship Scotiaplan loan product. And that saw the Scotiaplan loan portfolio increasing approximately 3% quarter over quarter.
The bank, however, continues to maintain strong deposits, which increased to $380.2 billion at the end of the quarter. Still in the banking sector, Sagicor will discontinue offering its MyCash prepaid card. President and CEO of Sagicor Group, Christopher Zaka, says various factors influenced the decision to halt the service, which was operated along with Digicel.
MyCash is a product that we launched several years ago, as you said. It was a partnership with Digicel, in that it was a revenue share with them, and they provided a number of the supporting services to that product. We both decided that we wanted to go our separate ways. Last year that happened, and we have just implemented the advisory to the public on it. The Alliance acquisition does give us the opportunity to develop products around prepaid cards and wallets, digital wallets, and we'll be looking at that as we go forward.
Now, Mr. Zaka was speaking at a media briefing recently. Now, heading to the currency market, it's costing an average $153.05 for the US dollar. $120.82 is the going rate for the Canadian, $200.92 for the pound, while the euro is trading at an average $172.68. The JSE index advanced by 876 points today, while the junior market index gained 91 points. Among today's winners were MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, CAC 2000 9.5% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Community and Workers of Jamaica, FESCO, and JMB Group 7.25% shares. On the losing side were Portland JSX, Paramount Trading Jamaica, Kingston Properties, Berger Paints Jamaica, and Epley 7.5% preference shares due 2024. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. But before we go, here's a look at what's to come in the Business Review on Sunday.